O niguo gukuhuanaga barabara-ini ya Thika hakuhĩ na University ya JKUAT, arutwo makirurungana mwiiritu ni marakara maingi ni undu wa wongererku wa uhaguku wa ugitiri. Arutwo aya makururunganaga kumana na wongererku wa njuragano cia arutwo, ngero ya mwisho iri ya hwaii wa ira, riria Mwiiritu wa mwaka wa mbere aroragirwo ni mikora.
We have really felt bad that one of us has died. It's really unacceptable. University students are the testicles of Kenya. Without us, there's no future. So, as students, we must be protected. We demand to be protected. Cobra, steam him! Cobra, steam him! We demand to be protected.
Arutwo aya marateta makiuga borithi matikoretwo makimahe urangiri uria wagiriire, kuona ona thengia ukorwo ni ukoretwo na riboti nyingi cia arutwo gutharikirwo ni mikora na amwe ao kuragwo, gutiri kinya oriothe ria kiwatho rioetwo niguo kunina tharikira ici.
Insecurity concerns have been rising on higher rate in JKUAT and its surroundings. Because there is no way a parent you can get information that your child has died in JKUAT, then what can be your response, you as a parent? And yes.
Maafitha a borithi ni megwikinyitie na mathararia mururungano ucio, kuona no guthararĩtie mĩhang'o ya ũkui barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika, gũkũ arutwo acio makiuga ona maingatwo matikũgũagũa harĩ gũtetera kihoto kiao o hamwe na kihoto gĩa Tabitha.
For the past, I don't know how many months, girls have been there. They have been mistreated, they have been strangled, and now one has been stabbed. What are we trying to say? Girl child, I'm speaking on behalf of the girl child. We need, hatuwezi kubali. We stand together. We stand together, and this is a warning to everyone. We will stand together and ensure hii imeisha kabisa.
Kuringana na arutwo acio, mururungano ucio uma njira imwe ya gutuma ndumiriri kuri aikari a mwena ucio ati mena unyitaniri na matigwitikira mundu o wothe kuhutia murutwo ungi kuma cukuru ucio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.